These village cooking videos are trending right now on all social media platforms. And guess what? The accounts that are posting these videos, they are going viral. And you can just create this video with just your phone. And on this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create your village cooking videos with consistent characters. You can create these videos in minutes, like in few minutes you are done. So let me teach you how to create this kind of video. So now the first thing you are going to do is to come to ChatGPT. Now once you get to ChatGPT, you're just going to drop this particular prompt for ChatGPT. So now I said I want to create insane village cooking video. Create a picture prompt for an African lady in her late 20s tying a short Ankara wrapper and a black crop top. So I'm just going to send this to ChatGPT. So let ChatGPT create picture prompt for us. So we're just going to let it load for some time. So this is the picture prompt or the image prompt. So we're just going to copy this. Then we're going to generate it from Grok before we come back to ChatGPT to generate our video synth. So we'll just copy this. Once we get to Grok, we are going to click on this imagine button. Then we are going to paste our prompt. Then we are going to write under it in a 16:9 aspect ratio. So in a 16:9 aspect ratio, we're just going to send that. Then we're going to let it load. So as you can see, Grok generated two pictures for us. So these are the pictures. So what we are going to do is to download this one, then we'll take it back to ChatGPT to generate video prompt or video script for us. So now this is the prompt we are going to drop for ChatGPT. Generate video script for us. She's cooking catfish. She's cooking catfish pepper soup. So I'm just telling ChatGPT the exact food I want it to cook. Then I said scene one should be when she went to the river to catch a live big catfish. Scene two, she carried the fish on a big bowl. So these are just the different scenes. Then I told ChatGPT to, after giving ChatGPT the last scene, so I told ChatGPT to go on and create the full scene for this video. So we're just going to send it. So now these are the different scenes. So scene one is catching the fish at the river. Scene two is carrying the fish home. Scene three is arriving at the village kitchen. Then scene four is cleaning and slicing the fish. Scene five is preparing the pepper soup base. Scene six is adding the catfish. Then scene seven is final cooking and aroma. Then scene 8 is serving the pepper soup. So we're just going to copy all of them one after the other. Then we're going to take it back to Grok. So now before we create the videos, I just want us to generate the images first before we go over to creating the video. So I said create picture prompts for all the scenes. So these are all the scenes. So we're just going to copy them so that we'll use it to create our pictures. Now we'll head over back to Grok. So now once you get to Grok, before you start creating your image, don't forget that we are using one image to create our pictures. So we just want to get consistent characters. We don't want it to be showing us something different. So what we are going to do, we are going to impute that first picture that we created. So now this is the picture. What we are just going to say is using this picture as reference. Then we are going to paste the first prompt. So this is the first one. We'll paste it. Then don't forget to add in a 16:9 ratio, in a 16:9 aspect ratio, because if you don't add it, Grok is just going to create anything for you. It's going to create any size for you. So we'll just send this and let's wait for what Grok is going to generate for us. So now this is what Grok created for us. So let's just take a look. So I think I prefer this first one. So I'm just going to download it. Then I'm going to bring back the next prompt. So this is the second picture that Grok generated for us. So we're just going to save it. So note that for you to have consistent characters, this is the second picture that we created. So after we downloaded it, so we use this second picture to make a reference for the next prompt. So that's how you are going to be doing it. So this particular picture now, we are going to use it as reference for the next image prompt. So we're just going to drop the image prompt. So we are going to create all the images off screen record so that the video will not be too long. Then we'll that we created. So these are the pictures. So we're just going to go back to ChatGPT and copy our video prompt that we are going to use to create the videos. So now what we are going to do to make it easier, you just come to this place. So you don't need to start pasting the each of the picture on Grok. So to make it easier, we've already copied the audio prompt. So we'll just tap on this place. Then this is the picture that we've selected for this scene. So we'll just tap on it. Then you're just going to drop your prompt. So just drop your prompt. It's going to create your video for you. So let's wait for it to create our video.
Fresh from the river, natural village food.
So we're just going to download this. This is the first prompt. Then we are going to drop the next prompt. So for the next prompt, we are still going to do the same thing. So we just come to this place, click on that place, then drop your prompt. So just let it load, then you drop your prompt. So it's the second prompt that we are going to drop now. So this is it here. Drop it. So we're just going to send it, then let it load. So this is the second prompt. So this is the second video that we generated from the second prompt. So I'm just going to create others off screen record because I don't want the video to be too long. So now once we are done creating the last video, we are just going to go over to CapCut and we are going to join all the videos together. Now once you get to CapCut, click on new video, then you're just going to select all the videos from the first one. So you are going to select all the videos. Then once you are done selecting, then click on HD, then click on add. So now we're just going to play it and see if it's okay. So it doesn't need to be perfect. That's why it's called insane videos. Even the imperfection is what is making people watch it, because it's hard to see anyone that is perfect. But let's play it and see how it is. If there's any place that we need to edit, we can also edit it.
Fresh from the river, natural village food.
So this part, we're just going to edit this part because it has not gotten to that part. So we'll just cut it out. Now we're going to move to the next one. So if you want to add voiceover to it, you can add voiceover to it at this time, or you just give Grok AI the audio that you want it to say. But I don't want to add voiceover to it. So this is it for how to create village cooking videos. So then the next thing you are going to do is to come over to this place and click on export. So you're just going to export this video and it's going to save into your device. So if you watch this video to this end and you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.